Machiegni kendo nyakwar Mgajwang' chenro en migago wadhi mbele gi weche manyien. Duol mapango timbe kata marango timbe mag obila IPOA oyango ni gionge gi oteku mar timo nonro kaluwore gi ndicho mar oganda mosebedo ka hiseyo golo obila mathur kae. Isaac Hassan ma en jakom migawo no oyango ni kata obedo ni jopiny osebedo ka seyo obila gi ndicho makamago, IPOA pod ok nyal chako timo nonro kowacho ni Inspector General mar obila no kwedo ni obila ok osebedo kotudre gi tim makamano. Lema Halaki ma en jata tije maduong' mar IPOA wacho ni chakre ndicho makamagi chakre gisechwalo ripode mathoth e doho kendo buche pod dhi mbele.
We are, of course, seized of the matter. We have been making follow-ups. We have been on it. We have been investigating. On the recent cases, the position of the authorities is that we have an ongoing investigation, which at this point we can't be able to say the police are involved or the police are not involved. The investigations are ongoing. As you are aware, this is a matter which is also being canvassed in court. And we have already clearly went even to court and presented the preliminary findings from our investigations.
The IPOA is works on an act of parliament, and we investigate misconduct by police officers. Now, when you have got people who are in hoods with fake number plates, who are blasting people, and then they take them not to a police station, but to a different place. I think these are issues that even the police must investigate. But so far, we as IPOA, we saw the reports in the media. We sent our staff to Embu and Nakuru, where there were reported abductions. And when they came back here, they said we have a report that police were not involved. So we will wait for the IG to give a full report on that.